everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Angela from Angela's Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to be preparing tomato stew. I'm going to be using tomato, bell pepper or in the blender, and I'm going to be using red and white onions and ginger, hot pepper and garlic. I'm going to blend it all. I'm going to do it twice. That's the ginger. I'm going to cut it into two because it's a big piece. Yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna blend it. And I'm going to be using croaker fish as well. And I'm going to be using soft chicken. I already boiled it. Hard chicken already boiled. And some cow's tail also boiled. I'm going to be using skin, also cow skin, and some shaki. So now I'm going to add some oil to the pan. Add a little bit of onion to it. I'm going to fry this hard chicken. I didn't let it get too brown because the chicken is already hard. I'm adding the remaining onion. My kitchen smells so nice. Now I'm going to fry the tomato mix that I blended for at least 20 minutes. I'm adding the tomato paste to it as well. This is optional, you don't have to put it if you don't want. And I close the pan to cook that for at least 20 minutes. So as that is busy, I'm going to clean my fish. My fish is already cleaned. I'm going to add some spice to it. I add just fish spice to it, just for fish, and it's so tasty, this spice, so nice for fish. Some more. It's already salty. I don't have to add salt to it, nothing, no stock cube, just the spice. I'm going to deep fry the fish. I'm busy with the frying of the soft chicken. After that, I'm going to deep fry the fish as well. So now my stew is ready, I think. I'm going to taste it if that sour taste is still there from the tomato. Now it's ready. The sour taste is gone. That slappy sour taste from the tomato is gone. Not there anymore. So now I'm adding the fried hard chicken to it. And the cow tail. I'm going to add the skin and the shaki to it. It's a very easy dish. Stew is very easy to prepare. I'm going to stir it all together. Add the remaining chicken. Stir. I don't want to put everything at once so that I can have space for the fish. Yeah, I think that's enough. That's crayfish, grounded dry crayfish. Now I'm going to add the chicken stock, the chicken cube, and curry powder, and some salt to taste. Added little salt and just 1 cube because I already boiled the meat with cube and salt. I stir it all together. Now I'm going to add some chicken stock to it. Yeah, just little, not too much, because I don't like it so watery. And I'm going to save the remaining stock in my freezer. Looks so good. It smells so nice in here in my kitchen. Yeah. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Like my page on Facebook. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. God bless you. And now I'm going to add the fish, already fried. Add the boiled eggs. I forgot to tell you, I boiled some eggs, I boiled some eggs. You can see the stew, it's getting a lot of oil on top of it. Yeah, and that's the soft chicken. I already deep fried it. I'm not adding it to the pan. That's for my kids because they don't like hard chicken. So they eat the stew and the soft chicken with the white rice. Yeah, and as this is busy, I already put some rice in the pan. The rice is also busy cooking. I forgot to show you that. So you can see my stew is ready. Doesn't take long and it's so easy to prepare. So now I'm going to slice a cucumber. I'm using my grater. It's easy to clean. My children always like eating rice with cucumber. They enjoy it with cucumber. Okay, now the rice is ready, the stew is ready, and that's the rice. I'm gonna do some eating. And still looks so good. You see there's a lot of oil on top. You can save it. You can just use your spoon to scoop some of the oil out. Yeah, let's look for some orishi. That's the skin. Now I put the fire out. Looks so good, so yummy. Yeah, that's it. Wow. Please like my page on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help me to build the page. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. It looks so nice. So now let's eat. Wow. It's so nice. It's yummy. Please subscribe. Wow. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye. Love you guys. Yummy, yummy.